Hi, my name is Kelly, and I'm here to tell you what this channel is all about. Truespirit TV is a platform with the sole motive to reach out to the world or the world at large with inspiring and powerful content. We are so passionate about the spiritual growth of Christians all around the world, as it's our sole duty to keep one another moving, or to keep one another in this race with God. We strive and push for competence. We believe we can change the world or shape the world via our inspiring videos. So do well to subscribe, like, share. Please stay with us while I take a little bit into our channel. This Truespirit TV on the screen, and this is what we do. This is everything that there is about Truespirit TV. Please like, share, comment, turn on your notification button to get notified whenever we post new content. And we post contents on a daily basis, so turn on your notification so that you don't miss out from this spiritual growth. It will be helpful to you and to be helpful to us. We'll be glad to see that we are part of the people that built and shaped your spiritual growth. Stay blessed. Don't forget, turn on your notification, like, share, comment, subscribe. God bless you.